You said you knew you had the warrant, though?
Yeah.
Do you know what happened?
It was like just a dispute between me and my ex-girlfriend.
Okay. All right.
Legendary New York drill rapper Sleepy Hallow, best known for his hit songs 2055 and Deep End Freestyle, was taken into custody after a routine stop turned into an unexpected arrest. Police in New Jersey arrested the rapper on an active warrant for assault, stemming from a domestic dispute with his girlfriend. What seemed like just another day quickly escalated when officers confirmed his warrant, leading to his immediate arrest. Let's take a closer look.
Yeah. How are you? Officer Sinisi, Cedar Grove Police. May I please see your license, registration, insurance card?
I don't got my license.
You don't have your
I
license?
got my registration, but I don't got my license.
Are you the registered owner?
With you, you don't have it. You don't have one.
I'm the owner, but it's in my mom's name.
It's in your mom's name. Okay, let me see that. Do you have the insurance with you at least? You don't have the insurance either.
I could probably call and get it.
Yeah, if you can get a copy of that on your phone. Alright, reason for the stop is your speed, man. You flew past me back there on Ridge Road. Alright? Why are you going so fast?
I didn't think I was going that fast.
Okay. Where are you coming from? You come from where?
I'm going to the pharmacy.
You going to the pharmacy? Okay. Where's home at?
I live in Lyndhurst.
You live in Lyndhurst? Okay. This is the only open pharmacy?
So what?
I said this is the only open pharmacy?
Nah, my studio's close to me, so I'll be around.
Okay.
You know the pharmacy's closed, right?
I thought it was 24 hours. I was going right there, but I both know.
Nah, the
Somebody
store,
sent me a,
the store's 24 hour, but the pharmacy closes. What's that? Yeah. You picking up something that somebody needs tonight?
Huh?
You picking up something that somebody needs like tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's sending you the insurance over? Alright, how do you spell your name, man?
T-E.
T-E? G? A? Say that again? N? E-E-R-S? B-E-R-S. Tegan Chambers? Okay, when's your birthday? Okay. 99. Any problems with your license or anything like that, man?
I don't have it.
You don't have a license, or you don't have it on you? You don't have a driver's license. Never been issued a driver's license. Okay.
Does anybody in the car have a driver's license?
No.
No, you don't got one either? No license? What prescription are you trying to get about? Okay. But if it's not a prescription, then CVS is open, but you say you're looking for the pharmacy. The pharmacy's closed. Oh, okay. Alright, yeah, the store is open. But not the back pharmacy where you get a prescription. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Alright, so then it's open. Alright.
Be right back. Yeah.
Car's all good?
Car's all good. It's registered to his mom. Car's all good.
Where'd you stop?
I was parked at the middle school in front of Reservoir. Drove past me well above the posted speed limit, so careless. And then for not having a license.
Just the initial.
Initial careless, the speed. Above the posted speed limit.
Did you get a speed or you just like
Observed it, and then I was trying to pace him at one point. We were floating between 50 and 55. I couldn't get a definitive pace because he was... Alright, man, I just need you to step out of the car. We gotta talk back here, alright? just gonna walk over here between these two cars on the curb, all right? You step right up here. Yep. All right. For officer safety, I'm just gonna detain you right now.
Got a warrant, right?
What's up?
I got a warrant.
Yeah, man. You know about that?
What happened in Lyndhurst? You have a warrant for assault.
Assault, you said?
Yeah, that's what it's for.
Do you think Sleepy Hallow knew he had that warrant, or did he seem shocked to you?
All right, taking right now, I'm going to read you a Miranda warning. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning. You decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand these rights that have been given to you?
Yeah.
You said you knew you had the warrant, though?
Yeah.
Do you know what happened?
It was like just a dispute between me and my ex-girlfriend.
Okay. All right.
All right, we're going to walk back this way, all right, man?
All right, right. Warrant for shit.
Just watch your head sit back down there, all right? Thank you, sir. You're already on audio and video recorded back here, man, all right?
Yeah.
I'm going to get your seatbelted in. I know it's not comfortable. We got a quick ride down the block, all right? I'm going to take your hat off you so it doesn't keep falling in front of your face.
My man, he can take my car from here?
Yeah, my other partners are going to get the car squared away for you. Yeah, the car's good, the registration, all that's good.
He's going to take it.
Yeah, as long as he's got a good driver's license, it shouldn't be a problem.
Yo, you got to take my V.
I have your ID.
Take my V and ask my shorty to give you my bread and shit.
Do you want him to take it?
Nah, let him take it. Yo, you don't got a pen? You don't got a pen for me? I can just write somebody's number down real quick.
What do you mean? For what?
Like, I just write somebody's number.
For who is this number?
It's for my shorty. I just want to put it in my pocket.
What, to call?
Yeah.
The girl in the car?
Yeah.
You know the number offhand?
Nah, I was going to ask her.
What does he need?
He wants his girl's number.
Can he get it?
Does he have the number?
Nah.
Hold on, right?
I can trust you with the chain, bro. Serious.
How long do you gotta wait to see your judge?
I don't know yet. If it's a Lyndhurst warrant, he's gonna have to go over to them. So
He said they gotta go to Lyndhurst. What is it called?
I think so. Don't start exactly because I've been here. I think it's Lyndhurst, but it's New Jersey. It's a
Where
town
you taking him right now?
to our headquarters to do paperwork. Right down the street, like 2 seconds.
Where's it called?
It's Cedar Grove Police. It's
Cedar Grove Police.
525 Pompton Ave,
525 Compton Avenue.
Cedar Grove, New Jersey. That's where we're going right now with him. They're gonna have to do paperwork. If the warrant's from another town or city, whatever, he's gonna have to go to there.
Yeah, they said he got the paperwork here first and then he has to go somewhere else and then to get you.
I can't say that now. I don't know yet. Because it depends on what that city decides, and if he's got to go to county or not, or something like that. They could say wait. They could say release. It's not sure yet. Yeah, I think so. Just give me a second. Give me a second. Let me check with the boss. All right.
Where do you want them to go? He's
No. I ain't say take her nowhere. I said she got my money and my chain and shit. Alright, that's it. It's up to her. Tell her just. That's what I'm answering. So if you ain't gonna take it, yeah. Just ask her. Ask her what you wanna do. Just ask her what you wanna do.
good.
Yeah.
So, Tegan, he just wants your phone number just so we can call you later. What's your name? How do you spell that? You good back there, man? I got your ID, your money, your hat, everything else up here. You gave the car keys, and I got the phone number for you, all right? Good? All right. Get this buckle out of your way. Come slide on in. We're going to go right up these stairs and that first door on the left, all right? Right in this room here. All right. Other side of the table, and then just face the wall, okay? Just face right over here. I'm just gonna check your pockets again, man. Got nothing on you, right? No. All right, you a righty or lefty?
Right.
You're a righty? Alright, so I'm going to take these cuffs off you. You're going to sit down and you're just going to hold your left wrist up, alright? Alright, just keep facing away from me. Alright, can I have a seat on the bench? Just hold your left wrist up. So we're just gonna go. He's too tight? Alright, I'll loosen it, man. Alright. That's no problem. I know they're not designed to be comfortable, bro, but, you know, handcuffs are handcuffs. There we go. Alright, just do me a favor. You just gotta take your sneakers off from here.
You take my laces off?
Huh? I'm just gonna take your sneakers. I'm not gonna make you unthread your laces or anything like that. Alright, so we're going to get some paperwork started, and then we'll get you going, alright?
In the end, Sleepy Hallow was taken into custody on an active warrant for assault. But here's the real question. Did he know this was coming and take his chances, or was he caught completely off guard? Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before I have to arrest you next.